Guys, Realtor Mike here. How are you? So I'm in my home office now. Decided to make a video on a topic that crossed my mind. No? So the topic is what I honestly think about Rockwell Land. As a disclaimer, no, I'm not an employee of Ayala Land since I focus on New Valley. No, I'm not an employee of Rockwell Land or any other developers. I am a licensed real estate broker accredited with them. So I sell Ayala as well as Rockwell and some other developers. No? Since that's out of the way, what do I think about them? I think they are a great real estate company. I think they're excellent. They're AAA for me. No? So they started Rockwell Center development nila, no? in Makati technically. No? So it was a former electrical thermal power plant, literally a power plant. No? Yung Rockwell, name of ano yun of a president of Meralco before. No? Rockwell Land is a development of the Lopez Group. So started the Rockwell Center. So andun yung Rockwell Power Plant Mall. And the many residential condominiums around and some offices as well. So I think they've stamped their mark with that development. No? As you go into Rockwell Power Plant, wow, ganda. Talagang they've maintained it. They opened, I think, in the year 2000, no? And it's been 24 years now. And it's still very elegant, beautiful, well made, no? And consistently, they evolved, no? I don't know if you remember, there was a bowling alley there before. I dare say that Rockwell Land is at par with Ayala Land. And some even say much better because Ayala Land medyo ang daming projects. They've gone from their luxury brand Ayala Land to Alveo, their high-end upscale, Avida middle market, Amaya and Bella Vida, no? But Rockwell is doing the same, no? Or has done the same. In 2012, they had their Rockwell Land Primaries. So mga condos ito na a bit more affordable, no? We were briefed yesterday. Yung most recent condominium nila, how much price per square meter? May guess kayo? 600,000 pesos per square meter. Yeah, you heard it right. 600,000 pesos per square meter. Rockwell Land Primaries branched out to more affordable segments, and they're all over the Philippines na, no? They have in Lipa, they have horizontal, meaning a village there. They have in Cebu, hotel, parang hotel resort, no? Parang beachfront siya. They have in Parañaque, yung East Bay. They have in Katipunan to service the students, no? One of their trademarks is the shuttle service. Yun, so meron sila sa Katipunan nun to service daw yung sa mga schools, no? Residential condominiums in Makati, merong may shuttle service to the power plant. Yan. FYI lang yan to those who do not know, no? So they also have near New Valley, beside New Valley, no? That's another story, no? How they were able to get property straddling along New Valley Boulevard and Carmel Ray, no? So ganda na response doon. Almost sold out. They have in Pasig Capitolio. They have New Manila townhouses, yun, medyo nauna yun. They have in Bacolod and Pampanga. In sa Pampanga, they're doing their second power plant mall. I think they made groundbreaking last year, 2023. So it's a bit on a smaller scale, 4.5, 5 hectares yata yung buong development, no? Yung may power plant and some residential buildings also. One thing that I've observed in my real estate practice, no, meron na siyang loyal following. For me, that's an indicator if a developer has a loyal following. Ano ba yung loyal following? Loyal following normally, no, yung mga bumili sa mga properties nila, well, initially siguro sa Rockwell Center, no, in Makati, no, and then they like the product so much. Now, every time they open, they buy. They don't buy from other developers anymore. I personally know people na I've offered Ayala Land properties, no, Rockwell lang ako. Yan. So meron na silang ganon. Marami na silang ganon. That's why I think they're almost on equal footing, if not better, no? Yung mga taga-Rockwell, they say that, no? And hindi ko ma-dispute, no? Competition is always good, no? That's good that Rockwell is an excellent brand, no? It makes Ayala Land, yung mga nauna, not to rest on their laurels, so they're up on their feet on how to do better. Meron pa mga ibang developers, no? Robinson's Land is doing, I think, very well also with their development in Libis. Shangri-La also, Shangri-La, Ang SM, ibang market segment naman, no? I think in their niche, okay sila. And I think competition is always good for the consumer. So madaming pagpipilian, no? Do you remember the days of PLDT nung Monopoly? Service was bad, you know. But not in the real estate landscape, no? Although medyo parang mahal ng mga properties, no? Well, anyway, so that's what I honestly think about Rockwell Land. Aspirational. I hope I can buy a Rockwell Land property someday. Again, yun muna. If you have comments, feel free to put it below, no? And don't forget to push the subscribe button, that notification button, and feel free to share this video. Again, this Realtor Mike here at my home office saying stay safe and staying faith. God bless.